In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hostinger business email to iPhone. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account and opening the email settings. Look for the area labeled Connected Apps and Devices. This is where you'll find the server information you need. Copy the IMAP hostname for incoming mail and the SMTP hostname for outgoing mail. These hostnames, along with your full business email address and its password, are the basic building blocks for the setup. Now turn to your iPhone. Open Settings, then Mail, then Accounts. Tap to add a new account and choose the appropriate account type for a custom business email. Enter your full business email address and its password when prompted. At the top of the screen, make sure IMAP is selected rather than POP. For the incoming mail server, paste the host name you copied from Hostinger, enter your full email address as the username, and type the account password. Tap Next to let your phone verify the connection. If mail appears to be turned off for that account, toggle mail on so messages will sync to the device. Back in your Hostinger control panel, go to the email section and click Manage next to the domain you want to add to your iPhone. From the email accounts area, navigate to Connect Apps and Devices. Under Apple Auto Configuration, select Set up Apple Devices. This will present a QR code you can scan with your iPhone camera to speed up configuration. After scanning, double-check that authentication is set to password. If it isn't, tap the field and change it. In your email accounts list, open the three-dot menu next to the account and choose Change Password if you need to update credentials. Then open the account on your iPhone and verify the hostname and username listed for the incoming server. These must match exactly what Hostinger provided. Go into Advanced Settings and confirm the server port is correct for IMAP and SMTP. Finally, make sure push is enabled for the account so new messages arrive instantly. A quick tip: if verification fails, recheck spelling of your address and password, ensure authentication is set to password, and confirm the host names and ports. Once everything verifies, your Hostinger business email should sync smoothly with mail on your iPhone.